Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, and today I will show you how to clear browsing data. So for this example, I'm going to actually show it on both browsers. I'm going to start with the Chrome. So let's find Chrome. And from here, what you want to do is tap on the button right here to show like nowadays recent. I'll basically show the menu here and go into the history, which I am right now in. And from here, you can tap on the X to individually remove the history that you want to just get rid of, or you can tap on clear browsing data right here on the bottom and then choose what you want to clear. Just for fun, you can add basically everything along with passwords and autofill data, and then tap on clear. And now if you go back, you can see that there is no more history. It's been completely wiped. So that's how you do it on the Chrome. And if you want to do it on the normal browser, let's see, not sure if there is any data, but we want to go into the settings, and from settings I believe it will be privacy. Let's see, maybe not. Okay, so there it is, privacy, and then delete personal data. And from here you can choose browser history, cache, cookies, and data, site data, passwords, autofills, location access, or you can just select all, like so. Now mind you don't have to delete all. You can, let's say, delete only the history and leave basically everything else. It's just a matter of how much you want to clear of the history. So once you selected what you want to remove, you can tap on done, and now the history will be completely removed along with everything else as I have selected. So that is basically how you clear browsing data. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.